All right, you all. Now, I just did the desalinization on the car. Now I'm going to do a foam cannon wash with it. I'm using this guy from Harbor Freight. Figure, might as well give it a go. People have had good things to say about it. So I don't have a pressure washer, so that's what I'm going with. So I'm not going to get the same kind of foam, but still going to foam. Already installed my nozzle. All right, got the whole thing together. 3 ounces of detailer hyper wash. This is for the concentrated for the foam cannon applications. Again, folks have had good things to say about it, so I figured I'd give it a shot. I went ahead and did the full 3 ounces. You can do 1 to 3 ounces in there because this car is filthy. And I figure anything I can do to minimize scratching. I did the desalinization, rinsed it off, and now it's just kind of air dried. And it does look better, so it did cut some of that grime. So that's good at least. But this car is filthy. So we're going to have some fun. And it's just going to be the foam cannon. The car's not going to be pristine after. I just want y'all to see what kind of foam it produces and how it does. Got everything hooked up. Check the sound. Y'all aren't coming through my earbuds recording wise, but the camera seems to be picking it up, so hopefully it's good enough. All right, I'll do the rest of the car off camera, but that at least lets you see. It's a quick video on how much foam that little guy puts out with the Hyper Wash, Maguire's Detailer Hyper Wash. We'll let that work on that grime, and then I'm going to come back and bucket wash it the right way. I'll rinse it off and check back in. Pull back on this. Works much better when your hands aren't soapy, and then this piece disconnects. It's got that little quick disconnect feature in there. Using these different pulls of the trigger, it all seems to come out about the same. But we'll continue to let that soap work a bit, and then I'll rinse it down. And I read the directions on the soap itself, and I might have gone a little overkill with the 3 ounces, but that's what the grants said. So I went with what the grant said. This car is filthy, so I felt overkill was worth it. The car had salt on it, so again, overkill was worth it to me. Let's rinse. I'm gonna do the other side, but I'll be spraying the water at y'all. So, all right, just to show you, it's not a wonder product. It's not going to clean your car for you when it's super filthy. You still see all the dirt on everything. And this poor car has been sitting a while. Like I said, my mother has been taking care of my grams, so she hasn't had time to bring it by here for me to clean it, because she couldn't leave Graham for very long. So It didn't do much to break up the stuff that was old and has been sitting on here for a while. So again, I will be bucket washing it and then probably ceramic coating it. On the Civic, I had all the road salt, and I just did the same method with it. Did the desalinization and the wash. And you can see, even on the back bumper, there's nothing. Outside of where it was in the accident, where I got hit and the insurance company wants to play games, but whatever. But in its case, because it was frequently washed right beforehand, it did a good job in getting most of the schmutz off, just doing the foam cannon. I mean, it still wouldn't hurt to wash it, but there's really not a whole lot of grit. I need to, see, there's a little bit. Or that may have already been on my hand. Let's see. No, it's from the car. So, don't worry, this car hasn't been cut and buffed yet, so it has previous abuse from the previous owner. You can see there's still that line from the windshield wipers. So, you know, it'll get anything loose off for the most part, but it's not going to be a wonder clean. Neighbor's moving. But yeah, so I will definitely do a bucket wash on it as well. But I mean, that's freaking good considering I drove it all week in the schmutz, the snow and the brine and everything else, and literally nothing has touched it. I've not used a scrub brush. I've not used anything. Even the wheels are shiny. I mean, there you can see there's still debris on that one. And that's the one I need to cut and buff and ceramic coat. But, you know, it was clean. I washed it right before the storm. And that's what we got after the fact. So, yay for both products. All right. 'Tis all. Bye, you guys.